Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Kucoin. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bybit application. Once you have logged into your Bybit account, after that click on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Now here you need to simply tap on the withdraw button, uncheck hide zero balances, and in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT and select the USDT currency. After that, here you will need to paste the withdrawing details such as address, network, and the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your Kucoin account. Now in order to get the USDT depositing address in Kucoin, you just need to simply minimize your Bybit application and open your Kucoin application. Once you have logged into your Kucoin account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner, and here simply tap on the deposit crypto button. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar you have to search for USDT and click on Tether. Now select the network. So here you can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. Now I'm selecting here Binance Smart Chain, and here you can see your USDT Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address, and after copying, simply reopen your Bybit application and paste this address in this address bar. After pasting, select the network Binance Smart Chain here also, and after selecting network and address, you just need to simply enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your Kucoin account. Once you enter all these details, simply tap on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Bybit to Kucoin. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Kucoin. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.